everyone. We just wrapped up day one of the bathroom renovation, and so I'm going to show you around and show you what was done today. The workers that were here were really awesome, and while there was some banging above my craft studio, it wasn't really too bad. So today was demolition day. I think this is going to go on for 2 days. So what I'll show you is what was accomplished on day one of the demolition. So I'm going to start us off right from the start like I did yesterday and pan around so you can kind of get the same orientation. So here we are, I'm panning around the room. That's where the closets are going to be. That where the doors are right there, that's where the bed was yesterday. We dismantled the bed and moved it into the guest bedroom so that it would be out of the way. So they had lots of space to work in. So I'm keeping on panning, and here is the entrance door. I'm gonna close that. And here is the bathroom. I don't know if there's still any lights that work here. Nope, I think. Oh, there is one light that still is working. So I'll turn that on so you can get perspective. So today they took this bathroom pretty much down to the studs except for the shower. So you can see where the sink was and the toilet and the window. It's going to be all new insulation. This is an outer wall right here. So the shower door is gone, and they told me that this towel and everything was original because it's right on. They used to do this kind of process where they put the cement down behind the towels. Of course, they do it differently now. And he said that this stuff weighs a lot. So the new shower that's going to go in isn't going to weigh as much. They've changed how they do everything. And look, I can see through. This used to be, there used to be a towel bar there. So they still have some demo work to do. Had to turn off the water for a little bit. So let me just stand back a little bit, and so you can see the entrance to our bathroom. Starting on the left is the entrance to the bathroom. Then the little door, that little closet, that's still completely intact right now. And then the bathroom is next. And then this was that small closet. We have a duct work that's running in there, so we have to keep that in our plan. We're gonna build around that because we need to keep that duct there. And then this was our oh, I guess that, oh, it does work. This was our walk-in closet. So very different now. You can see back here, this is the back of the shower. This is that cement technique that they used to use. So that extends like on all sides of the shower there. And then all of this insulation is going to be pulled tomorrow, and everything's going to get new insulation. So that will be really nice. So nothing's being built up at this point yet. It's all being torn down. So we will see more stuff happening tomorrow, and I will give you an update again. So thanks for watching my bath remodel, and have a great evening. Take care. Bye.